case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a captivating legal dispute, Horace Butler, convicted and sentenced to death for the murder of Pamela Lane, challenged his conviction in a federal habeas corpus petition. Butler posed that his rights were violated when police interrogated him about Lane's murder after he had already retained legal counsel for an unrelated charge. His argument rested upon the precedent established in Arizona versus Roberson, which dictated that police are prohibited from initiating interrogation after a suspect requests an attorney. The plot thickened when both the district court and court of appeals rejected Butler's claim, dismissing his petition. The courts found that Butler was properly informed of his rights and had voluntarily waived his Fifth Amendment protections. They ruled that questioning on a different charge did not infringe upon Butler's previously invoked rights. Undeterred, Butler sought a rehearing, to no avail. The dismissal of his petition was upheld, and his request for a rehearing denied. Butler refused to back down, making a last-ditch attempt by appealing to the Supreme Court. However, the Supreme Court affirmed the lower court's decision, indicating that the Roberson rule did not apply to Butler's case. The crucial factor was the nature of habeas corpus. The Supreme Court held that it is intended to apply the law that prevailed at the time a conviction became final. In this context, they ruled that the Roberson case had set a new rule. However, this new rule couldn't be applied to cases on collateral review like Butler's except under two exceptions. The court explained this principle serves to validate reasonable, good-faith interpretations of precedent by state courts, even if later found to be contrary to later developments. Unfortunately for Butler, the Roberson ruling did not fulfill either exception. Roberson had tightened restrictions on police interrogation, but did not seriously reduce the chances of getting an accurate conviction. Consequently, the Supreme Court affirmed the Court of Appeals' decision, leaving Butler's conviction to stand.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.